Yeah, I'm Travis Appel. I'm the owner and operator of Appel Farms. So strawberries are my big deal. I've got about an acre of strawberries. We do a pick your own patch, and we also offer them already picked, and most of my sales come from the farm. I do sell a little bit at the farmer's market. When I got out of the military, I went back to school and I started in the horticulture program at the University of Arkansas. I thought I was studying turf grass. I was going in to be a greenskeeper kind of for golf courses, kind of what I wanted to do, and ended up meeting a guy at the university farm, one of my classes. I ended up doing my internship for my degree out at his farm, and I can still call him and ask him questions, you know, and I think that's kind of really how I got into farming. When I first started, I couldn't find people to help me pick, so I wanted to advertise that I was a U-pick farm for that reason, because I didn't have the labor to pick the strawberries myself. And now, you know, I want to keep doing it because people bring their kids out, and I think it's going to create, you know, a generation of people knowing where their food comes from, just like I had when I was growing up. Basically, you show up, we'll post our hours on Facebook, and we'll kind of show up, and we have the containers for you, and we have some carriers too if you need a large quantity. And then you pick into the quart containers, and when you get done, we'll kind of weigh it and charge it by the pound. Then you get to take the quart container home with you. You don't really need to bring anything special, you just show up. Right now we've got lots of different colors of lettuce, different flavors and different textures. We've got some Brussels sprouts and some broccoli, a little bit of garlic, some finger-length potatoes. Yeah, later this summer we'll offer some tomatoes and okra, squash, and then in the fall we do some pumpkin patch, pick your own pumpkins. So this variety here is called panisse. It's kind of a specialty lettuce. Basically what I like to do is just harvest the whole head at one time. So we'll just pull the whole root system up. And then we can set this down in some water, or we can wrap it up in a moist paper towel to keep the whole plant kind of alive, and so people can get it home without it being wilted. You know, I think local to me, it all means you're supporting your community and putting money back into where you grew up or where you live. You're getting a better product as well, and I think that's kind of where I fall into it, and that's why I like to do it and support other local farmers myself. We're doing pretty good with trying to give a quality product, and I think we're having a pretty good flavor, and people are realizing, you know, that local not only means supporting your farmer, but it means you're getting a better product too. So.